The most dangerous thing a tech giant can do is become predictable. For years, the base model iPad has been the safe choice, the one you buy for your kids, the one you get for your grandma, or the one you use for basic Netflix binges. But something shifted in the labs at Cupertino recently. As we cross into 2026, Apple has realized that the budget tablet market is under siege. With the rise of high-performance Android tablets and the looming threat of affordable foldables, the iPad 12th generation is no longer just a minor refresh. It is a total architectural pivot. If you are holding an iPad 9, 10, or even 11, you need to stop. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The device Apple is about to drop isn't just a tablet. It's the final nail in the coffin for the traditional laptop. Let's talk about the proification of the entry level. For the first time in history, the gap between the iPad Air and the standard iPad is being bridged. Internal leaks from the supply chain suggest that the iPad 12th generation is ditching the old-school non-laminated display technology for good. We are looking at an 11-inch liquid retina display that borrows the ProMotion Light technology from the latest iPhone rumors. While it might not hit the full 120 Hz, a 90 Hz adaptive refresh rate on a $449 device would change the game for artists and students alike. Imagine the Apple Pencil, which, by the way, is getting a new Gen 3 version with haptic feedback, gliding across the screen with near-zero latency. This is the moment the basic iPad becomes a professional tool. But the real shocker is under the hood. For years, the base iPad got the hand-me-down chips from 2 generations ago. Not this time. The iPad 12 is rumored to launch with the A18 Bionic. Why such a massive jump? One word: intelligence. Apple is betting the farm on Apple Intelligence, their localized AI ecosystem. To run the complex large language models that allow your iPad to summarize meetings, generate art, and automate your entire workflow, it needs raw neural power. The A18 Bionic isn't just about speed. It's about making the iPad 12 the smartest device you own. Imagine an iPad that learns your schedule, predicts which app you're going to open next, and can literally edit a 4K video using nothing but voice commands. This is no longer a tablet. It's an AI-driven workstation. Now, let's talk about the hardware redesign, because this is where things get controversial. The leak suggests that Apple is moving the front-facing camera to the landscape edge permanently, a move we saw started with the 10th gen, but now it's being optimized with a new Center Stage 2.0 sensor. But the real headline: the magnetic connector. There are whispers that the iPad 12 will feature a simplified version of the MagSafe found on the MacBook. This means a new ecosystem of magic keyboards that don't cost $300, but offer that same floating design and tactile feel. Apple wants the iPad 12 to be the primary computer for the next billion users, and they know they can't do that if the accessories cost as much as the tablet itself. But there is a secret feature that hasn't been talked about enough. It's called Desktop Mode 2.0. For the first time, Apple is rumored to be unlocking a version of Stage Manager for the base model. If you plug the iPad 12 into an external monitor via its high-speed USB-C port, the interface will transform. It won't just be a mirrored iPad screen, it will be a full-blown desktop environment. This is Apple's strategic strike against the Chrome